Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar Livingston. Not the first time here on Growing Guitar. This time is glowing with the song called Glow. Alright, so we're gonna do this song together with a capo set on the first fret. That is the easiest for us. So put that capo on there and let's go into the Glow here with Livingston. And we have 5 chords we need to know about. It's the A minor, F, C, G, and E minor. So very simple and basic chords. Let's start with A minor. All right, it goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have F, which is a bar chord. You place your index finger on the first fret where you push down all strings, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have C next. So that will be third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We're gonna go to G now. So G goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And the final chord is E minor. That will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. All right. Now, let's go into the strumming, and we need to divide this one into 2 different parts. We're gonna split the strumming into 2 chords later and use every part for each and every chord, so to speak. So anyway, let's do that together with the A minor, which is the first chord. And the first part will be down clap, and that's it. So, okay, so down clap. And then part 2 comes up, up, down, clap, down. So 2 ups, then down, and then clap down. And that's the end of part 2 and the whole strumming. So if you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, clap, then up, up, down, clap, down. Again. That is 1 string round. And a couple of rounds goes like this. So we're ready for a song. I'm gonna start with the verse. You had the chord progression, which is A minor, 1 full round. That means both part 1 and part 2. And then F, 1 full round, C, 1 full round, and G, 1 full round. You're gonna play that chord progression of A minor, F, C, G for 2 rounds, like this. Right? That is 2 rounds, and that's the first verse. Then comes the pre-chorus. In lyrics, you are like magic. All right, so you're gonna continue with that verse play for another round. So 1 round of A minor, F, C, G in the same way, and that is the first pre-chorus. And that takes us to the first chorus, okay? And the lyrics are Shine on Me. That's how it starts. So what you're gonna do here is to play F, 1 full round, then G, 1 full round, then A minor, 1 full round, and E minor, 1 full round. You're gonna play that chord progression, F, G, A minor, E minor for 2 rounds. And then after that, you're gonna play the same chord progression, F, G, A minor, E minor. Now you're gonna have a split, okay? So now you're gonna play F, part 1, then G, part 2. So F, down, clap, and then you switch to G and play up, up, down, clap, down. And then you're gonna play the same principle here with A minor to E minor. So A minor is played part 1 and E minor part 2. So that chord progression now you're gonna play for another 2 rounds, okay? And that will be the end of the course. So just to summarize it, we had F, 1 full round, G, 1 full round, A minor, 1 full round, and E minor, 1 full round. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. And then you're gonna play the same chord progression, but now F part 1, G part 2, A minor part 1, and E minor part 2. For 2 rounds, like this. Again. Now comes F, G, have it, the first course. Okay, so that's the first round of everything. Now let's go back again to the verse play. And the A minor, F, C, G, you play that for 2 rounds in the first verse. You're gonna play it now for only 1 round in the second verse. So it's just half as long. And that takes us to the pre-chorus number 2. It's played again in the same way as the first one. And yeah, that is the second pre-chorus. Then over to the second chorus. That is just repetition, played exact same way. 2 rounds of the F, G, A minor, E minor with the full strumming rounds on that chords, and then 2 rounds of just part 1 and part 2s on the same very chord progression. Okay, after that we have the bridge part. Okay, it happens about 2 minutes and 14 seconds into the song after this second chorus. And what you're going to do here is to play F 1 full round, G 1 full round, A minor 1 full round, and E minor 1 full round for this only chord progression. 1 round of that. And then you're gonna go into the F part 1, G part 2, A minor part 1, and E minor part 2 for 2 rounds. So it's a total of 3 rounds of that chord progression, F, G, A minor, and E minor. The first round is 1 full strumming round per chord, and the last 2 rounds are the halves, okay? We don't have to go through that and play it. We understand how it's done now. We've done it so many times. So it's enough. We understand that. After this bridge part, we have just the final parts of the song, and that's the third chorus, okay? And you're gonna play that in the same way when it comes to the first half of this chorus. That means you're gonna play the F 1 full round, G 1 full round, A minor 1 full round, and E minor 1 full round. You play that part for 2 times. And then you're gonna play only 1 down per chord. The same chord progression, F, G, A minor, E minor. Only 1 down per chord, only 1 time. And that is the end of Livingston's Glow, all right? So, hope you're satisfied with that explanation. I think you got everything you need to handle Livingston's Glow. And if it was helpful, please let me know. Give me a like on this one, subscribe to this channel, all that good stuff. And until next time, play tuned.